Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can upload videos to your Google Drive and share with others as well. So before that guys, like this video and subscribe this channel. Let's dive straight into this video. First open your Google Drive account, sign in and then click on upload. Click on folder file. Then find the file you want to upload. I will select one random video. Click on open. Then here you can see it's uploading. Wait for a few seconds. Yeah, it has uploaded. Now this takes a bit time if you want to watch this video on Google Drive. But let's now move forward to the other topic. Let's assume you want to share this video with others, or with your editor, or with your colleague, or if you are doing collaborations with others. So what you can do is click on share button on the right hand side corner here. Click on it and here you can type the Gmail of the receiver you want to send. You can type here their Gmail account here and click on send simply. Now click here on restricted and anyone with this link. This is second method guys. Now click here and you can select viewer, commenter or editor. Now what is this? Now anybody with this video link can only view this video. Now editor, now what editor does is he can delete or copy or send to anyone else also. Then copy this link and you can send to your friends and family. So this is how you can share your Google Drive videos with others.